Hey everyone, Phil from 3DP UK Tech Channel. So today I wanted to cover briefly on the announcement from Snapmaker about their new multicolour printer, the U1. So in this video, I'm going to show some images, some video footage of this new multicolour printer from Snapmaker. Now they have decided to join in the mix with colour printing. And if anyone knows that Snapmaker's machines have always been really sturdy, but they've never really ventured into the Core XY market or even the multicolour printing market in terms of multicolour. I know they have the dual head extrusion printer for the Snapmaker, but that is really just all they ventured into. But now they've come up with the Snapmaker U1, as you can see. Over here is the visual of that printer, and from first glances, now there isn't a great deal of information out on this at the moment, but we're going to cover some of the specs that have been given to me as a first glance. I'm hoping to be able to bring this to you on my channel now, but this is the Snapmaker U1. They haven't released a great deal, like I said, so a lot of it is just some of the visual and video footage that they have released out into the social media network. So some of the specs that I do have available to me, so they have said that it's 5 times faster than most average multicolour printer, and it uses 5 times less filament, so less waste. And that is specifically around their multi-head tool changing unit. Now we have seen that in other brands. Don't want to name them in this particular video, but we all know who they are, and it works. And I feel like this is kind of the angle that most people are going to be heading towards now. And anyone who knows that filament waste is a big issue in the community, not only is it an environmental issue, but it's also a cost issue, especially if you're doing it as a hobby, and this is supposed to be a hobbyist printing community. So we kind of want to make sure that it stays cost effective as well. They're bringing the prices down on the machines. It wasn't many years ago that machines would cost thousands of pounds, and let's be honest, it was hard to even get 3D printers back in the day. So to be able to have this available to the community now, we want to try and keep improving, and filament waste is a big issue, especially with so many different brands now bringing out multicolour printing. Now, just some of the other information I've been given is obviously the filament waste, and that is coped with the U1 Snap system, or Snap Swap system they're calling it. And as you can see on the screen now, that's kind of how it works. So we're going to show a little video on that. And it also can change filament types as well as filament colors. So, if you, for instance, you're doing a print, if you're only doing a single color print, but you want supports with it, but you want easy breakaway supports, you could have, certain filaments now that are specifically designed to act as a support. You can put them in water and they dissolve, etc. So there is also that option as well. And it's supposed to bring down the waste by 20%. That is a huge improvement. So some details that have been shared with me is, being a Core XY, it's going to reach some decent speeds, and being a multicolour, that's obviously a great improvement as well. Now, they are telling me that the U1 tool head hits around about up to 300 millimeters a second. And they also have told me that the print speed or travel speed is 500 MMS with 20,000 acceleration speed as well. Obviously now that brings you the technology of multicolour printing, less waste, and a Core XY system. And the actual delivery system looks, from the images that I can see here now, everything that I'm bringing you today in this video is all very much what's been made available to me. And the brand reached out to me and said, could I bring out a precursory video for you? And that's what I'm doing now. with the images and the videos and some of the settings that they're gonna, or some of the specs that they've given me. So the other thing is the swap system as well, which we've seen. That's obviously going to save time and money. So some other information. So the 4 tool heads, which work as one. The U1 auto aligns each tool head with its printing system. So, and there's an offset of 0.04 millimeters. So it's almost perfectly aligned every time. With its inbuilt input shaping, which most Core XY now are heading with, and its pressure advance, that's going to help with vibration issues. So your prints are always going to look good. And also the pressure advance is going to help with under or over extrusion. So that's always good to see this on this Core XY. And also auto bed leveling, once again, a great addition for this. So as I've said, I'm going to show a few videos now of this printer in action. That's some of the specs that I've been given. Now, it's not a great deal, I know, but it's great to see some visuals. It's great to see the specs that they are saying it's going to be. And for me, Snapmaker, I do have the A350 Snapmaker, and that has been an absolute dream to print with. It's also a 3-in-1 system, so you've got the print, laser and CNC. But now that they've seen that the community are heading towards multicolor and Core XY systems, it's great to see Snapmaker join in the fray, because let's be honest, the more companies that involve themselves in Core XY and multicolor printing, the more the price is driven down. It increases the printer capabilities, and it brings us as the community and us as the influence, if you want to call it, the opportunity to showcase what they can do. And also the prices, some of the prices that I've seen of Core XY multicolor printer is just absolutely mind-blowing. So I don't have any costs at the moment for this particular unit. I'm hoping it's going to be quite competitive to the market. However, like I say, I don't know what it's going to cost. And I haven't even seen any sort of rumblings on the community about the cost of this. But as you can see right now in this video, these are the images, these are the videos. Stay with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to 3DP UK Tech channel. Here's the Snapmaker U1 in its full glory. And hopefully, when it's announced on its release date, we may even have it on this channel. Who knows? But like I say, if I do bring it to this channel, I'll bring to you my thoughts, an unboxing, a review, some prints, and overall conclusion. So yeah, stay with us. This is the Snapmaker U1 multicolor printer Core XY from Snapmaker. Stay with us. Check out the videos of this unit.